Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a Galaxy Note 10 Plus with a cracked display and a cracked back cover. So we're going to replace both with David. Let's go! So first off, we're gonna check the damage on this one, and since we're not gonna reuse both components that we're gonna replace today, we're just gonna directly pry it off the device. If we want to reuse the back cover on this one, we will have to tape it up so that we don't put more cracks on the already cracked glass. And as you can see there, it's kind of a messy adhesive, so it must have been opened before, so it's not its first time to be opened. Now we're gonna detach the wireless charging module, NFC, and that's gonna expose the connector for the battery and the display. So this is for the display, and that golden small letter S connector flex cable is for the battery. We're gonna attach this replacement display so we can test it, and then reattach the battery, and we're gonna turn on the device. So it's not turning on, so most probably the battery is dead. It has not been used for months or weeks. Let's see, and it does work. It's getting enough charge showing on the display, but we're gonna put this module back because some smartphones, I'm not sure about this Note 10 Plus, some smartphones will not turn on if all the components are not put back in the right order, or some parts are missing. We're gonna wait. And now we have a 1% charge, so this battery is super dead. We're gonna wait for a while so that it will boot up, and so far so good. It's now booting up properly. And there's a doggo right there. We're gonna test the camera, some components, to test if the screen is okay, the touch screen is working good, and so far it's a good sign overall. So this one is kind of a battered Note 10 Plus, but once we're done with the repair, it's gonna look brand new because we're gonna replace basically the shell of the device. We're gonna replace the screen at the front with its own housing, and of course the back cover, which is also brand new, so no one will suspect that it's an old battered device before. So repairing and restoring your old phones, even as battered as this one, as long as the motherboard, battery, internal components are working, you can make them look brand new again for a fraction of the cost. And it's not that you woke up one day and you think to yourself that I'm gonna buy a new Note 10 Plus. But you can definitely spend a bit of money for a restoration just like this one. And David here, as you may know, the Galaxy expert. Anything Samsung, David is able to fix them all. For those of you who are using Apple products, iPhones and Apple Watches, he's also doing those, and others smartphone brands like Oppo and Asus ROG phones. David is also willing to fix those for you. And now we have this replacement screen. We're going to remove the plastics so that we can transplant the board, the SIM card tray, everything to the new housing slash screen. So when you're doing this on your own, it might be that you may encounter some incompatibility because sometimes Samsung smartphones have this Korean only models, sometimes they have international models, so you have to really know what you're doing and know what you're looking for so that you have the right parts. So if you don't want the hassle of going through that, you can just go to Sydney CBD Repair Centre or to your local repair service technician, so that when the parts that they order is not correct, they can just reorder again. But if you're doing that on your own, it's gonna be a hassle to return the products that you have ordered. So although this is kind of a simple procedure overall, but for a novice, and of course for people who doesn't have the time to spend on their own repairs, doesn't even have the tools and the knowledge to do the repairs themselves, it's gonna be a disaster waiting to happen. You're gonna introduce more damage to your device. And just like this one, David already knows the parts. Even he already has the parts in stock, so it's a win-win for you and the shop. David here is offering reasonable prices, so you don't have to worry. You can even mail in your broken smartphones and he will mail it back once the repair is done. So message us, leave a comment if you want this kind of repair to your Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. And now we're gonna put a brand new matching back cover. Look at that. It looks shiny. It's like a car with a new paint job. So don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. I hope you found this video interesting. Don't forget to leave a comment if you have any questions or opinions. Until next time, cheers!
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.